What is up, Hudson Hawks? This is Kyle, the CTA, and today I'm going to show you how to clear that error whenever you try to open ReadyHub and it says object moved. This usually happens to students and a couple of teachers, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it today. This is on a Windows desktop. Don't worry, this works the exact same way on a Chromebook. Alright, so right over here under the X that closes the window, we are going to click right below it on the three dots right here. We're going to go to Settings. You're going to scroll all the way down until you get to Advanced. Click Advanced, scroll down, and then we're going to the Reset and Cleanup category. Let's click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and this gives you a little warning screen right here. It says that we're going to reset Startup Page, New Tab Page, Search Engine, and Pin tabs. Also disables extensions and clears temporary data like cookies, but you do get to keep your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. So the big stuff is saved, but if you've pinned a tab temporarily, which is usually a temporary action, you don't have to worry about it. Or the extensions, you can just turn them right back on. So let's go ahead and reset our settings. This should just take a moment. Usually takes between about 10 seconds typically. And there you go. And you're more than welcome to either clear the page or to just go ahead and reopen ReadyHub. You really don't have to clear it, but it's up to you. And that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching.